Good morning students, welcome to day 13. In today's class we are going to continue the examples related to that is sex determination mechanisms. In last class we discussed that is out of 5, okay, total 5 extraordinary mechanism. There are total 5 main mechanisms of sex determination. Okay, that is first one is XX, XY, second XX, X0, third ZZ, ZW like that, and fourth ZZ, Z0, and then haplodiploidy type of sex determination. In the previous class, that is in day 12, we discussed already there is two types of sex determination. First, that is XX, XY, in which the examples are Drosophila and human beings, and then the second example was that is XX, X0, and examples under this type of sex determination was that is insects like grasshopper, cockroach, and then even roundworms also show the that type of sex determination. Now today we are going to continue, that is the third type of sex determination, that is ZZZW. Okay, that is one. I will write here heading sex determination. Sex determination. You know definition already. Okay, it is the genetic method by which the difference between males and females, that is can be males and females can be established in a species and the definition percentage like that. So here coming to the third one, third type yavudu ZW. Okay, type of sex determination. Simple example heading bracket nage person heading naga who determines the sex of the offspring or who decides the sex of the offspring. Here it is female determines sex of offspring. Female determines sex of offspring. It means Henry, who is heterogamity here? Here female is heterogamity, male is homogamity. Now for in case of XX, XY, there was female was homogametic and male was heterogametic. Heterogametic andre Henry, 50% of gamete carrying X chromosome, 50% of gamete carrying Y chromosome. Here females are heterogametic and hence females will decide or determine the sex of the future fetus like that. So not only here females are heterogametic, nothing but ZW. Very important it is. These are the examples which can ask in entrance exam. That is one. Which type of sex determination seen in birds like that. Now this is in case birds wala barthore. Okay. Here females are heterogametic, that is ZW. Okay. And thus produce two types of gametes. Two types of gametes. Okay, that is 50% gamete, female gamete ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ egg. 50% gamete carry Z chromosome, and other 50% carry, that is X after meiosis, that is W chromosome. Now here female is heterogametic. Now after gamete formation, okay, which type of gamete is available along with autosome? Autosome ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾವ್ರಿ. Okay, that is one. So ನೀವು ಬರ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ಎದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಟೋಸೋಮ್ ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಂದು ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡು ಬರ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ನಾವು. Okay, so now here along with this X chromosome, that is W, autosomes are also present. Now this egg fertilized by this one male, that is male antu ಏನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ್ರಿ, both the sperms, that is 100% of the sperms carry, all the sperms carry Z chromosome only, because even after meiosis 50% will sperm will carry again Z and Z. It will produce totally what, only one type of gamete. I will write here, males are homogametic, males are homogametic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, they produce only one type of, they produce all the same gamete or only one type of gamete. Same gamete means nothing but all the sperms carrying, all the sperms carry, that is Z chromosome only. Z, this is nothing but chromosome. Okay, so finally ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, suppose female body ಒಳಗ ಏನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ egg ಒಳಗ ಯಾವ chromosome ರೀ, what is produced here gamete is W8 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ, plus autosomes, autosomes plus this is the sex chromosome. Okay, now it is fused with, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಂತೂ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಒಳಗ sex chromosome plus autosome, it will give what, ZW. ZW, this is nothing but female offspring. Who is producing here different gamete? Female. Suppose this is from female and this is of course male. In other case, if which egg is fertilized, now here the egg containing W chromosome is fertilized by the male's sperm, and suppose if the egg containing Z autosome plus Z chromosome, sex chromosome fertilized or fusion, that is by again male will produce only one type of gamete, that is Z, plus idr jote autosome iddirtavri, autosomes, it will produce what, Z, and it will give male offspring, male offspring. Thus here finally who is going to decide the sex of the fetus or offspring, that is female. Hence the females are heterogamety and thus produce two types of gamete, yaudri W and Z. egg ಒಳಗ W ಇರಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ Z ಇರಬಹುದು, ಹಂಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ, in this type of sex determination females determine the sex of the offspring, ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ್ರಿ who is going to determine, that will be the heterogametic. Okay, so female determines in the sense here female is producing two types of gamete, that is heterogametic. Okay, coming to next example, fourth one. Okay, idradu examples ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, birds and few reptiles. Examples of ZZ ZW type of sex determination are birds and reptiles. I will write here separately, ZZ ZW type of sex determination. Example entry, birds and reptiles. There is one type of sex determination. This one example, birds and reptiles. Okay, coming to next example, I will review this one. Examples are and pretty because with examples example ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Which type of sex determination seen in birds, reptiles, which type of sex determination seen in, that is again grasshopper. And now coming to butterfly, here ZZ Z0, remember first was XX XY, second was XX X0, third is ZZ ZW, fourth is ZZ Z0. So like that. Type of sex determination. Type of sex determination. Again here female determines sex of offspring. Means who is heterogamity here now, students? Again female is heterogamity here. Zero in the sense, remember here one of the two individual is having one less chromosome than the other. Okay, here note, that is here females are heterogamity, nothing but female is here having which type of genetic constitution, that is Z0, Z0, and thus produce two types of gametes. Gametes in the sense female and male, that is egg. Okay, 50% of egg, as a female gamete, carry Z chromosome, whereas 50% will carry no any sex chromosome. No any sex chromosome in the sense here this is 0, not O. Here 0 means no sex chromosome. Same in case of XXX0, but their male was having one less chromosome than female. Here female have one less chromosome than male. Very important, it is reverse of grasshopper. Okay, here female have one less chromosome than male. Ali grasshopper, that is XXX0 olaga male grasshopper was having one less chromosome, that is sex chromosome irrelevant, that is X and 0 ittu. Illi female is having one less chromosome, and hangagi now coming to males are homogametic. Homogametic simple mechanism are very just with example ನೆನಪಿಡಿ. Z0 ಎದರೊಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಆ ತರ example ಬರ್ತದೆ, that is butterfly and moth, like few insects are involved in this. Males are homogametic, nothing but Z. It means all the sperms carry Z chromosome only. So who is responsible for the sex of the future offspring here? Female is responsible, because female is heterogamety. Female determines in the sense female producing two types of gametes. Okay, now for example, egg from female contains Z and tilkore along with what? Body chromosomes, Z plus autosome ಇದೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಇದು. Okay, then fusion plus ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ cross ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is fertilization. Okay, cross with that is here male sperm, all male, that is all the sperms containing what? For example, this is the sperm, it will be Z, and it will give which type of offspring? It will again male offspring. In case if female egg contains only autosomes, egg with only autosomes means what? No sex chromosome, no any sex chromosome. I wrote here 0 means no any sex chromosome, like that. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುದ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ನಾವು ಸಚ್ ಎಗ್ when fertilized plus ಚಿಹ್ನೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ with the sperm, same sperm, because here male is homogametic. When fertilized with this one, it will produce Z0 and this will give again female offspring. Female offspring. So like that, here female is having one less chromosome than the male, and here female is heterogamety. Here examples: butterfly and even moth. So these are the organisms or insects which comes under this Z0 type of sex determination. So ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾವ type of, which type of sex determination having which examples, ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. Okay, so XY, that is in Drosophila and humans. In that male was heterogamety, means male produces two types of gametes and hence male determines the sex of the fetus. Second, XX0, here again male determines the sex of the offspring because male having X0 genetic constitution. Chromosome ಯಾವ ತರ ಅದಾವ್ರಿ? Autosome plus X0. 0 means one chromosome less ada. Hence in XX0 type of sex determination, male is having one less chromosome. Example: grasshopper, cockroach, like that. Okay, so there is male is heterogamety. Coming to third, that is ZW. Here female is heterogamety. ZW, heterogamety under different tree. So female determines the sex of the fetus. ZW, 50% of egg contains, that is Z, 50% of egg contains W, and that is fertilized by the same type of sperms. That is here male is homogametic in third case, ZW. Fourth case, example in the third case olaga birds and few reptiles. Coming to fourth type of sex determination mechanism, that is Z0. Here Z0 is in female body, that is female is heterogamety and female, hence female determines the sex of the offspring. Means here that is 50% of egg contains Z, 50% of egg contains no any sex chromosome, it contains only body chromosome, that is autosomes, like that. So it is when it is fertilized with the homogametic, that is one, all the sperm containing Z and Z, it will give ZZ, it will be male offspring. And if there is Z0, 0 ಯಾಕ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ autosomes ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿರ್ತಾವ, this Z is from male partner and this 0 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಬಂದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಟೋ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಬಂದಾವ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಾವ್ರಿ? ಆಟೋ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ Z ಅದು ಬಂದದ. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ it will develop into this offspring, develop into female offspring, means this offspring receiving one sex chromosome from, that is male partner only, from the father only, and autosomes, sex chromosome Z and autosomes, but from mother this offspring is receiving only autosomes, not the allosomes. Sex chromosome ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. In this case, here the male offspring is receiving Z from father with autosomes and also here Z from mother with autosomes, and hangagi here male offspring is going to form. Here female is having one less chromosome. So it is again easy and interesting also, and very important for the entrance point of exams. That is yatar antandre, which of the following organisms shows XXX0 type of sex determination itara keltara, athwa ZZZW type of sex determination mechanism is seen in which of the following itara keltara. ZZZW ಅಂದ್ರೆ birds and reptiles ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ, ZZZ0 ಅಂದ್ರ butterfly and moth ಬರ್ತದ. ಆ ತರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಪ್ಲೋಡಿಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ and also that is sex determination in humans. Okay, that is one. So till then, read well. Thank you.